All right, we're going to multiply decimals today. So we're going to multiply numbers as normal, and then you're going to count the number of digits that are behind decimal points, and that's how many spots we're going to move back into the answer from the right side back into the number. So we're going to go from the right side of the number into the left. Remember, you line up digits. You don't line up decimal points when we're multiplying. If it happens to happen, then it is what it is. All right, so I'm just going to go through and I'm going to multiply these. 10, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. We don't have to worry about that 0 because it would just be drop a 0, 0, 0, 0, which doesn't change it. So we have two numbers after decimal points here, one number here. See, we have 1, 2, and another one together. That makes 3. So we're going to go 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. So that's where we place our decimal point. Our new answer is 1 and 560,000. Okay, moving on to this one. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 times 3 is 12. Plant your 0. We're done with that number. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 4 is 4. 3, 9, 13, 5, 5. 3 numbers behind decimals here. 2 here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It falls all the way at the front of this number. Decimal point 55393, which is read 55,393 millionth. 10th, 100th, 1,000th, 10,000th, sorry, 100,000ths, my bad. 55,393 100,000th. Moving on to our last couple. 40, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51. Drop a 0. We're done with that. We're done with those. 5, 4, 6. 0, 11, 4, 5, 6, and there's 11 again. One number here, 3 numbers here, a total of 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. 1 and 1,610 10,000th. 10th, 100th, thousandths, 10,000ths. Here, 2 times 7 is 14. Put a 1, put a 4, carry the 1. You get a 1. There's nothing else that moves, but we have to move 2 spots here and 2 spots here. So we have to move 4 jumps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we place in those empty spots? Well, what is our empty number? That would be zeros. So 14 10,000ths. And as always, if you need help with this, rewind it, slow me down, fast forward me, whatever you got to do. I heart math.